In the meantime, Mr. Shaw is dismissing assertions that work on the Dunbarton Main Road in St. Mary last year was substandard.
The bridge is structurally sound. It's a box culvert. Some persons refer to it as a bridge. It is structurally sound. There's nothing wrong with it. The issue along the corridor has to do with the approach. The approach to the structure became oversaturated and failures occurred. And so persons would have seen that it has sunken somewhat as a result of this oversaturation. The structure that facilitates the movement from Dunbarton to Discovery Bay and vice versa is sound.
Member of Parliament for St. Anne Northwestern, Dr. Dayton Campbell, last week raised concern about the quality of work done in the area. Mr. Shaw says attention will be given to affected areas in the vicinity of the bridge which are in need of repairs. He will be getting an update from the technical team shortly regarding another issue.
What has been compromised is the gabion, or one of the two gabion walls that was constructed as part of the process. And gabions, by their very nature, are built to be flexible, to move somewhat. Now, clearly, what has happened is that we have seen where it has moved. We will have to go in, examine what exactly transpired there, and seek to have it rebuilt.